today I'd like to tell you about our SM5 concrete grinding system. And this is specifically designed for grinding concrete. And you can see for anti-fatigue operation, it has these very ergonomic grips and also has this anti-vibration system. So you can see it has give, which will isolate the operator from vibration for less fatigue. There are also brackets mounted right into the handle. These are for mounting the optional floor grinding trolley. And this is the dust skirt. And you can see it has a half moon door, which is quick removable with no tools, so that you can get into the corner. You can grind right up to the corner against an edge. And it's really easy to just pop back into position. And the unique feature about this machine that makes it very special is that it has its autonomous dust collection system. It basically eliminates the need to use a vacuum cleaner, so this gives you really good mobility. I'll show you here on the dust skirt. You see it takes a standard 125 millimeter diamond cup wheel, and we have 2 layers of brushes, and inside is a unique dust collection turbine which sucks the dust and drives it into the hose and into your bag. We have both a wearable dust bag as well as a floor mounted dust bag that you can use. And of course you can still connect it to a vacuum cleaner. The motor is 2,200 watt. It has variable speed. It also has power feedback for electronic speed stabilization, has overload and soft start. Now I'm going to strap on the wearable dust bag for the autonomous dust system. Adjust the speed. You're mounting to the grinding trolley. You just put it in place and line up the fasteners. And screw it in. Alright, next you take your cable and wrap it up so it's out of your way. Plug it into the socket. And next, engage your vacuum hose on this hook and then plug it into the machine. Adjust the height to a comfortable working height. Okay, lock on the switch. And now this will be our on button.